Hello everybody. What I'm going to be talking to you about today is something that was sent to me by a company, and I've been anxious to share it with you. This is a company that had reached out to me and asked me if I would take a look at what they had to send me. They didn't even require that I make a video about it, but I told them that I would do a review of it for them. And as you know, my reviews are always about exactly my feelings about a product. So what I'm going to do is, let me tell you the name of the product, the name of the company, and I'm assuming this is the pronunciation. I could be wrong. It's called Luxendary, and the reason I pronounce it that way is they said it was a combination of luxury and legendary. So that's how they came up with the name of the company. They make phone cases. And I have put one of the phone cases on my other phone, and I've had it on for the past few days since it arrived. And I wanted to, oh, for heaven's sakes, I just got a text from somebody from the very distant past. They sent this to me. I wanted to use it for a while, see how I felt about it before I had anything to say about it. So this is the first one. Their cases are offered in a variety of series. I think they had 5 different series. They may have had even more. And they are at various price points. And they seem to start at $19.99 and go up from there. I will tell you that if anybody is interested in the cases, they are offering a 15% discount, and I'll have a discount code below in the Seymour in the description box. So this is the first case that they sent me, and this one is Skyline of New York. I really love it. I do. I think I'm trying not to get the glare on it. I think it's really pretty. I like the ombre effect of the case itself. The case in the back is substantial enough without adding weight to it, so it keeps my phone nice and slim. This phone is my XS, and it's nowhere near as heavy as the old case that I had on it before. So I like that element of it. It has enough of a grip on the side. It's not really grippy, but it has enough of a grip on the side to make me feel comfortable holding it and feel like it won't slide. You can easily reach the buttons and press them. Not a problem with that. It has perfect openings for everything, so it's accessible down here. And the thing that I like about it is that it sounds very good. I'm not losing any of the sound, as with some cases you tend to do. It has what feels like a little bit of protection. I just got a spot on the back of my phone that I've got to clean off. Those are the things I like about it. My only concerns about it would be it does seem to have a little bit of protection. It's raised a little bit over the camera portion of it, but it is not at all raised above the screen. So the only way I would feel comfortable using this long term, this particular one, is if I had a glass covering it to make sure that I didn't have any problems with it. So that is this particular case. I am going to show you the other ones that they sent me as well, so give me a minute to take this off. And this is what it looks like, not on. So it's really nice, very lightweight. It's very malleable. And as I say, they said it was a high-tech 3D process that was used to imprint the design. All right, they sent me, now these two are for the larger phone, and the larger phone, unfortunately, is what I'm filming on. So I can only show you what it would look like, and then I will take a picture of it. And again, it's the soft case. And I will show you a picture of it on the other phone after I finish filming. So again, it's a very soft case. And these are from the lower price selections that they do have. They sent me this other one as well. And this design also is for the larger case. So it will look something like this. For those who like a floral kind of design. This is kind of a little bit retro looking to me. It's nice that the back of the phone shows through it and gives you that little bit of shimmer kind of thing from the case, from the phone itself. Now the next ones I absolutely love, my personal preference, and they sent me 2 of these. This one is vegan leather, and it has a hard, I think they said that there was metal in here that kept it sturdy, and you do have a card case here, so if you want to keep a card in there. And what I like about it, aside from the look of it and everything that, let's see, just bear with me for a minute. Okay. This one, okay. I like that it has the cover. I like this particular one. It really is nice. It has the nautical theme. I love the color. I really do. And it's got a really nice feel. Once again, you have everything easily accessible, but at the same time it's covered. And this one, what I particularly like about it is they have this little bit of a grid in there. They've got, it kind of amplifies the sound, or I shouldn't say it amplifies the sound. I don't know that to be true. It doesn't muffle the sound. So it really is good in that sense. I really like this a lot. They sent me 2 of these, this one, and one of them has a giraffe on it. I will show you the picture of that as well. This one is more expensive. As I say, it's vegan leather for those of you who really prefer not to have leather products, but it absolutely has the look and feel of leather. And this, of course, by virtue of the way that it is, it does have more protection for the camera. So that is really good. I like this a lot. I really think I might be using this one for now. So again, I just wanted to share that with you. The price on this one, I think the vegan leather one was $49, but I'm not 100% sure. So take a look on the website. There'll be a link below. If anybody has any interest, as I say, they do have 15% off using my code. So feel free, if you have any questions, do ask. I love this. The more I look at it, I really, really love this. I love, you should pardon the expression, I love black and blue. It really is nice. So thank you very much, Luxendary, for sending me the cases. I am sure that I will enjoy them. I think also that what I would do, I would tell the company this, and I did even mention it to them in an email, that they should also be considering getting some cases for those who want the much more protective cases, to consider having some of those as well if they're going to have the ones that are not covered. Once again, I'm going to show you the one with the giraffe on it, and they have it in many, many, many different styles. So that is the story for this one, folks. Okay, I'm going to put the phone in the last case that they sent me, so you can see that one. It has a really nice tight fit. This again is that vegan leather. This is really nice. I happen to love giraffes, which they didn't know when they sent this to me. I love the color. It's kind of the color that my mother-in-law always used to refer to as luggage. And it's got a really nice look and feel. As I say, it feels just like leather, even though it is a vegan leather. And here you have their logo on it and the card case. So we can keep a card in there. And what I forgot to mention to you before is the way the case is constructed. It has this area where you can bend it, so if you want to watch a video on it or something, you can actually have it stand up, and it can function well for you that way as well. So I know that that worked for me when I was trying to watch something here, if you set it up like that. So it really is nice. I like it a lot. And once again, thank you. Take care.